Affiliate marketing survival tips.
Once you've signed up for what appears to be a great affiliate program, you've already developed your strategy, selected your banners, and other materials for marketing. Once you've figured everything out, you may still have problems developing marketing strategies and find yourself wondering what's wrong. Below, you'll find some of the most common issues that affect sales commissions and leads. Soggy cookies. A lot of merchants use cookies for tracking your referrals. As a majority of customers don't purchase on the first visit, cookies allow for potential referrals to be tagged with your ID so that if they do purchase later, you'll get the credit for the sale. The durations for the cookies will vary from merchant to merchant. Some last as short as a single session, while others can last for years. If the visitor flushes their cookies on a regular basis, has cookie blocking software, or the program from the merchant isn't operating correctly, there really isn't anything you can do. Multiple methods of payment. If you've joined an affiliate program through a network that processes payments of products on behalf of merchants, it's not uncommon for merchants to offer several methods of payment. While this is great for customers, it's bad for affiliates. Before you begin to advertise any products or services as an affiliate of a network, always check the merchant site carefully. If you have any doubt, contact the merchant before you proceed any further. Monitoring your arrangements. Even the most honest of merchants will have problems with their affiliate software at some point in time. Therefore, it's important to regularly check cookies and merchant sites for any changes that may affect your pay.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.